What is up, everyone? Today is a special day because, as I said before in one of my last videos, it may be difficult or boring for some of you just listening to theories, but you must learn how to be patient. So today I will show you 3 apps that I use and that I recommend for a Shopify store to considerably increase your sales with at least $2,000 a month. You can make even more for sure. It all depends on your products and what kind of promotions you are currently doing. But you won't want to miss any sales, so that's why these apps are kind of must-have for any Shopify store. As a bonus, I will show you my 3 favorite apps that I use to run my business smoothly and with no headaches. Before we begin, please give a like to this video and subscribe to this channel. And I know that I say this every single time. But hey, I really hope that you don't miss my videos and that they are really helpful. Okay, now I can just stop begging for likes and subscribes and we can start right now. The first app that I will present you today is the SMS Marketing and Automations by SMS Bump. I will tell you right away why I love this app so much. Well, it's easy. It makes money. All you have to do is to set up the SMS as automations or text marketing, and basically that's all. I will also show you what you should write in your SMS. But before that, would you believe me if I told you that I made $744 spending only $2? And here's the proof. Of course, this app can make much more if you run Facebook ads or other kinds of promotions. But if you have some free traffic, this is how it works. And what's the best thing about this app is that it has a free plan available and you will pay only for the SMS that are sent to your customers. But hey, paying $2 and turn them into $700, I really think it is worth. Now let's see what to do and how to get started using it. As you can see, this app lets you create SMS for abandoned carts, order created, shipping confirmation, subscriptions, and reactivate customers who have not bought anything in the last X days. For now, we will only set up the abandoned carts and I recommend you to send 3 reminders to your customers. The first one is the one that you will send after 5 or 10 minutes. I recommend you starting with 10 minutes, but if it doesn't work so well, you can change the timing as you want. And here is how it looks. You can write something like that. Hello, first name. We are sorry to see you go. Return now and complete your order here. The things that you see there, like first name and abandonment checkout URL, are things that you can add directly from the app. And don't forget to mention from and your site name. And this is because your customers must know who have sent that SMS to them before even clicking on the link. The second one that you will send out will be after at least 1 hour. Okay, you can even make 40 minutes or 15 minutes or 1 hour and a half. You have to see what works best for your customers. In this second SMS for abandoned cart, you will offer a discount. Well, you can either offer it in the first template, but I can tell you that it works much better if you offer it in the second one. So here you will say something like this. First name. Don't go yet. Return now and grab extra 10% off with code YES10, for example. And then you will put the URL. And of course, don't forget the store name. And now the last reminder that you should send is after 1 day. And it will look like this. Hi, first name, last chance from your site name. Get 15% off your entire order using discount code SMS15 or YES15 or whatever you want here. And you put the URL. The offer will last for only 1 hour. Don't miss out. And here you will put also the stop to opt out option. I personally add it only here in the last reminder because I don't want to give them the chance to opt out from the first message. So this app is really cool. As you can see, you can customize your list of customers, for example, for text marketing campaigns. You can create flows and much more. Now, the second app that I want you to check out is In-Cart Upsell. This is the perfect app to increase your sales. It works like this. You drive traffic to a product page, the customer goes to the checkout page, and now it's time to show him another related product that he can buy. As the presentation says, this app doesn't interrupt the customer when he is on the checkout page, and this is really a big plus. If the offer would have been shown through a pop-up, well, I wouldn't be here telling you about this app. Even if you won't use this app, just remember that customers don't like to be interrupted on the checkout process by thousands of apps that they have to click and close each of them. But hey, this app has also a free plan and 7 days free trial. So you may want to try it and maybe then come back and let me know how it went for you. On the free plan, you will be able to add only one offer at a time. And it could be just fine for the beginning when you are focusing only on one product. After that, when you feel confident and have more sales for different products, you can go to the beginner's plan, and hey, it's only $19.99. So you will cover the cost for this app with maybe just one sale. The third app, it's really a must-have, and it costs only $7.99. So I think that you can afford this at least when you have one winner. But hey, you can start using it right now because it comes with 30 days of free trial, and in these 30 days you can make up to $1,000 that will be your profits because you won't have to promote that product. Without any other recommendation, I will just show you how it looks like and its name. The frequently bought together app looks like this. Here, for example, is the store that sells a bike, and going down you can see the app doing its job, showing the customers what other items are frequently bought together, and there's the option to add all of them to cart immediately. So you will see how the total price is increased with almost $300. Of course, this is just an example. You can simply have one product and increase the cart for $20 or $50. Of course, it depends on what you sell. Well guys, these are the apps that I recommend you to use to increase sales, but don't stop watching the video yet. As I said at the beginning, I have a special bonus of 3 apps that I use for my business, and that will help you manage your business as well very easily. Number 1 is the Simply Cost app. It has 14 days of free trial, and then it costs only $4.99 a month. This app will help you calculate your costs and manage your profits, considering refunds, discounts, shipping and taxes. And just from some months now, they will let you connect your Facebook ads to see exactly how you have spent directly in the app. It is a one-time setup app, and here's what you have to do. In the Manage Cost tab, you will add the costs of your products, additional costs as payment processing fees and shipping costs and other expenses that you have, for example your virtual assistant or your other employees or accounting fees and so on. In the Reports tab, you will see detailed reports as profit by month, day, product title and so on. Now in the Settings tab, you will be able to set up your profit margin, and this will help you even if you have products with no price set it up. You can connect your ads and view the exchange rates. For example, if you pay your ads in other currency or have other costs in a different currency that your store, the app will use the daily exchange rate to convert it to your store currency. Number 2, DSRs. If you don't have an agent or a fulfillment agency, then this app is for you. It's free, it's fast, you can even use it to add products to your store, create bundles to sell more, and you will just see how easy it's to use when you have many orders to place. It's all automated, so you will have only to place orders and pay for them, and the tracking and shipping information will be synced directly to Shopify. And if you didn't know, you can even earn money using this app. Yep, you heard well. You can earn cashback using Admittad, and here's how. Let's see. Okay guys, now let's set up DSR's Pro real quick. I got the code from their messenger bot. You can contact them and ask for a code and they will give it to you. So we are on the DSR's page. DSR's Pro beta is available now. Click to check details. So we will click here, check details. You will have to put here a code. It's the code that I have got from them, and then click on activate. Okay, now here real quick I will add my details. And let's see. Okay, process bulk and multiple orders with DSRs. Your account has been successfully registered. We have sent an activation email to your email address. Please check your email box and click the link to activate your account within 10 minutes. Okay, let's do that. Okay guys, now I have set up my admitted account, and as you can see here, you will be in pending for AliExpress. You can also find all the details on the blog from DSRs. You see that they say at first your account will be pending. You will need to wait a couple of days for your account to be activated by Admitted. Once your account has been approved, you will receive a code from Admitted by mail. Sorry, here's where you will have to put that code, and let's see how it looks like. So you will receive an email from Admitted to the email that you have used to sign up. And you can find this code also on Admitted directly by going to My Programs, AliExpress, and clicking Banners and Links. We don't have that right now because it's pending. Okay, so you will get your code. It will be similar to this one that it's shown right here. And you just need a part with letters and numbers. You will copy this part of the code and paste it in DSR's Pro right here. So in settings, and then in other, and then right here. So once you have your admitted account set up, you will be ready to receive the code for the cashback, and you will put it here, okay, and then you are ready to go. Now let's move on. Number 3. Lux Photo Reviews. By far the best app when it comes to reviews that are a must-have on your product pages. You can try it for free for 14 days and then you will pay only $9.99 per month with the basic plan. But don't worry, you won't have to add the reviews manually. The app will let you import any review from any source and in just one click from AliExpress. This app has many features like monthly review, email requests, discounts for picture reviews, and so on. You can check out all of them and implement the ones you want and the ones that the plan allows you, but they are all very useful. Okay guys, enough talking and more working. You are now able to add and implement these apps, and why not start to add some money to your bank account. As always, I hope you enjoyed this video and give it a quick like and subscribe because hey, I think I'm getting better and better with my YouTube videos, and I really hope that they will make a change for you and your business. Also, click the bell icon if you want to know when I have a new post. I try my best to film every single day for you. So, see you tomorrow!